Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today, I'm going to show you how to make ChatGPT Barbie dolls using AI. But before we jump into the fun part, let's talk a little bit about why Barbie is everywhere again. Now, here's a fun little fact that not many people know. Barbie was actually inspired by a German adult gag doll called Bild Lilly. It was originally sold in tobacco shops as a joke toy for men. Wild, right? But Ruth Handler, the woman who created Barbie, saw the potential to turn it into something totally different, something for kids. And that's how Barbie was born. Barbie first came out in 1959, and ever since then, she's been a big deal. She became super popular with kids all over the world, and even grown-ups started collecting her. She's always had that classic, iconic look that never really goes out of style. Now, even though Barbie never really went out of style, she's been getting a lot of attention lately. A big reason for that is the new Barbie movie. After the movie came out, people just started talking about Barbie again, posting about her, making videos, memes, edits, all sorts of things. She basically became a trend again overnight. And here's something even cooler. People have started using AI to make Barbie-themed content. Not just regular dolls or pictures, but things like short videos, digital artwork, and even Barbie-inspired characters. It's wild how creative things have gotten with AI these days. So I thought, why not jump into this trend and make something fun together? Today, we're going to use AI to help design and create our own ChatGPT Barbie doll. It sounds fancy, but I promise it's really simple, and I'll guide you through it step by step. Alright, first things first, you need to be logged into ChatGPT. If you don't have an account yet, no stress, you can just sign up quickly using your Gmail. You can go with the free plan or the paid one. The free version lets you create a few images each day, while the paid version gives you unlimited access. Totally up to you. Now let's get to the fun part, creating the image. I already have a prompt ready to generate a Taylor Swift-style Barbie doll. I'm just going to paste it into ChatGPT and wait for it to work. Sometimes the image shows up pretty fast, like in a minute or two. But other times, it can take about 7 or 8 minutes, depending on how busy the AI is. So just be patient and let it do its thing. And there it is. Look at that. The AI just made a really pretty Barbie doll that looks like Taylor Swift. Isn't that cool? You can also use other platforms like Leonardo AI or Midjourney to create similar images. Each platform has its own style, so you can try them out and see what you like best. Right now, so many people are jumping on this trend. You'll see Barbie AI dolls all over social media, Instagram, TikTok, everywhere. It's kind of crazy how fast these things blow up. So what do you think? Is this AI Barbie trend going to get even bigger? Let me know in the comments. And if you had fun watching, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tap that bell icon so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.